If your Ford Ranger is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, over 40% of no-start issues on these trucks come down to basic battery or terminal health. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where the power is stopping. Start by checking your neutral safety switch and looking for the flashing anti-theft light on your dashboard. If you don't hear a hum from the fuel tank, your inertia switch may have tripped or the relay failed. A single loud click usually means your starter motor is receiving power, but the internal solenoid is stuck. Differentiate between the two by checking your headlight brightness while attempting to crank the engine. Most of these parts are affordable and easy to replace yourself with basic hand tools. Use a multimeter to verify that your battery isn't dropping below 10 volts during a cranking attempt. A simple 10mm wrench and a wire brush are often the only tools you need for a fix. Always clean your connections before spending money on expensive new components. Check those terminals first, and you'll have your Ranger back on the road in no time.